Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 40i and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. For example, with the usage of the dialer, it does not really matter. Then let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So for example, this one. And then let's tap on edit contact, so this kind of pencil icon, and let me quickly remove the photo so you will be able to see what you will actually see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So now let's simply tap on the circle with the camera inside it, and now we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. It does not really matter which one you will choose, it's up to you. And then let's find the photo we'd like to use, and here in this tab we can change the position of this highlighted square. We can change the size of it also, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted area is responsible for it. So after positioning it, just tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see the photo will be immediately applied. If you are happy with your choice and with the customization, just tap on the save icon in the right upper corner, and this is how our contacts will look like. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.